Hey coders and future coders, I am back again with yet another tutorial. Here we are going to find a palindrome in JavaScript. First of all, we need to discuss what is a palindrome. A palindrome is a word. It can be word, a number, a phrase, or other sequence of characters which reads the same backward as well as forward, such as madam, one to one, etc. So let's get into the action and start doing the coding in JavaScript. First I have created a palindrome folder here and created two files, index.html and index.js. And in index.html I have imported index.js, and just to verify whether it's working or not, I have written console log in index.js, and I will check the same in the console. Now there are two processes in JavaScript, so I will start with the first one. So I will take a function over here, this palindrome 1, and I will pass a variable here called val. Then I will take a new variable called reverse or rev, and that will be a blank string. Now if I for loop of, hope you guys know what is for off loop in JavaScript. So if I do the for off loop, and I will get the value of the string by each and every character. So I will concatenate with the reverse. First I will concatenate that val with the rev variable, and that will be completely reverse order. Now we will check whether it's matching with the actual value or not. Now what I am going to do, I am going to check with two lowercase, because a palindrome can be case insensitive. Because if you put M capital then ADAM, then madam will not be a palindrome. But in this case, now it matches with the val, then it will be a palindrome. If it doesn't, that will not be a palindrome. Now I will just take a variable and prompt that variable to get it from the user interface, and pass the same variable in the function which I have just created. Now if I enter MADM, madam is palindrome, but if I do not use two lowercase, then it will not return as palindrome. Yeah, it's returning correct results. Now we will check the second process, the easiest one, with the array functions. we will take another function, an arrow function here. And just to get the reverse, what we're gonna do, we're gonna split the val, then we use the reverse function, then join it again. This is the simplest one. When we split, it will return an array, then on an array we can do the reverse function, and then we can join to get the string again. In the same condition we will have to put here. And if I change this palindrome to 1 to 2, then we will check the second function whether it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and comment.